I kind of want to run back and see if I can get the necessary, because right now I'm using the wrong thingies, and I feel like it's better to leave it broken, so when I come back I'm like, oh, it's broken, I need to fix it, rather than coming back and be like, oh, this is fine. That's, by the way, one thing for all you programmers out there. One thing I really like doing when I finish, if I'm not done with a task, I like to leave a compile error. Because I find it a lot easier to get back into the code if the first thing I run into when I get back to like working is like, oh, I need to solve this problem right away. Instead of me going like, okay, where did I leave off? What am I doing here? So like I tend to leave like very obvious compile errors for me in the future, essentially. Cool. Pretty sleek blueprint. I'm kind of digging it. It's just the belts and I guess the power too. Oh shit, I don't know anything about that. Rust is a nice little to-do macro. Most languages do. I just prefer the compiler over a to-do. Because it's the same thing there. I need to write a to-do that makes sense to me to understand what's going on. Whereas when I have a compile error, you know, you actually dive back into the problem more so. All right. I think that's the way we're gonna call it there, y'all. Made a lot of progress today. Let's see if we can unlock some coupons. Because I leave to do comments as well, but that's more for me to like remember like there's more to improve the system that I made or something like that. But that's very different when I'm coming back to like working on something specific rather than like picking a new task. If that makes sense.